ఫస్ట్ మీరు చెప్పండి సార్. సంపత్ గారితో వర్క్ చేయడం ఎలా అనిపించింది? మా గోపీచంద్ గారితో మళ్ళీ వర్క్ చేయడం ఎలా అనిపించింది?
Good evening. With Sampath, this is my second film. It's not been a easy journey. Actually, in the first film, we weren't that close or that understanding. Probably second film, I think we really understood each other, and I think that shows on screen. So, thank you, Sampath, for this opportunity. And particularly about this song, I think we've shot this song in real bastis, and without anybody knowing, and just with the camera, and we've shot that. A lot of interesting stuff we've done in this film. I think I should not talk more. I think the visuals should talk. Thank you.
అది నా ప్రశ్న కాదు.